YouTube channel. Yeah. I am so happy. I can't believe I am finally doing this. Okay, I've been thinking of having a YouTube channel for quite a long time now, but I've been procrastinating, and I don't know, maybe I'm not ready, but now I am ready. Okay, so you guys, you're welcome, and this will be my very first video. Okay, so my name is Gloria, and my channel will all be about my reality, self-development, anything, everything about me. Okay, so I also hope that you find my video very inspiring and motivating. So yeah, I'm 25 and I'm an auditor trainee. I work with auditors. Also, I am a small business owner, so I have businesses on Instagram that you can check them out. Okay, so I'm going to drop my Instagram pages, then you check them out. You might see something that you like. Yeah. All right, so I'm from Ghana and I'm currently in Zanzibar. Okay, so I decided to spend my Christmas Eve here in Zanzibar, all right, to also experience the other world, okay, the island, to see beautiful places around the world. So basically what this video is going to be is just about me being in Zanzibar. So I am going to show you all the activities that I did, or everything that I was doing here in Zanzibar, so you guys, you can also enjoy it. Yeah, and I hope it doesn't get boring, or it's not boring. I know it's not going to be boring, but you guys are going to love it. I am not going to spend so much time here, so I'm just going to be here for a few days. Okay, but then I'll document everything that I'm going to be doing here and then share it with you guys, so you see. And maybe one day you want to come to Zanzibar, you decide on what kind of activities that you want to do. So that will be it for this video. Okay, all right, so I just came to introduce myself. You guys should also be looking out for many more videos about me, so I will leave you guys to watch all the activities here in Zanzibar, and I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy. Bye. I just woke up. I enjoyed my sleep, but I don't know, I woke up with body pains, so I'll see if I could get some painkiller or something. But yeah, I'm up. I need to go get some breakfast. I need to freshen up and get some breakfast. It's time for breakfast, so let's do this. Day one. Yeah, day one. So I am done freshen up. It's time to go get something to eat. So let's go. Hi guys, so this is the outfit. The weather is still cold. I don't know, it still feels cold, so I decided to just put on this. Okay, so you're ready, let's go get something to eat and we're back. So this is day one and I am all dressed up, as you can see. Day one. So today's activities, we're going to do a spice tour, and I'll be going to Stonetown. You know, we're going to do spice tour, learn how to prepare their local foods and all of that, many other activities. So yeah, as you can see. All right, so this is day one. I just finished and the driver is waiting for me, so I'll get ready. But first of all, let me do a tour, you know, an apartment tour. The place is really nice. The hotel is really nice. I love it. So first of all, as you can see, this is the mirror, the dressing mirror. I love that they have dressing mirror. So let's go this way. This is a wardrobe. Yeah, these are my things, and this is the locker. So you keep your valuable stuffs here, then you enter your code to lock it. You see? Yeah, so you're safe here. As you can see, this is my bedroom. Okay, so that's the bed. I actually slept well today. Pretty nice. So nice. So nice. Here we have the mini decks, the kettle, you guys can see, and the TV. Okay, and this is the other wardrobe. I need to unpack my stuff, but I feel a bit tired today, so let's be there. As time goes on, I'll take them all out. Okay, let's close it. Good. So let's check out the bedroom. Sorry, the washroom. Okay, as you can see, this is the washroom. Okay, it's beautiful, and it has been raining today, so it's been raining. It's been raining. Wow, check this out, check this out. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, I've already used the place, the washroom. So as you can see, so beautiful. All right, so let's check the outside view. Okay, let's check. Oh, it's been raining, so can you see? That's Golden Tulip Hotel. Last night when I came, they were playing Odoyewu. I was like, wow, they play the song there too. I like the view. Okay, it's a beautiful place. You should be here. You should be here. So guys, that'll be it. Okay, we leave. Stepping out.
farmers farm, it's a community farm.
Community farm.
Community,
Okay.
we grow different spices together. We have like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, ginger, turmeric, vanilla, and other spices.
Okay.
After seeing the spice, we see cosmetics made from the spices, like lotion, perfume, and soap, which are made by the locals, are organic.
Okay.
So after seeing the cosmetics, we'll go see someone climb coconut tree. We drink Coca-Cola Zanzibar, which is the coconut.
Okay.
Then we go for spice shop and fruit testing. We have different fruits from our farm.
Okay.
So you are welcome.
Yes. Thank
If you
you.
have any question, you can ask Hakuna Matata.
Yes.
It's a
Hakuna
video,
Matata
Hakuna Matata.
means no
No
problem.
problem.
Okay. And what is Asante is thank you.
Thank you.
And
Welcome, Karibu.
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 Pole pole, slowly.
Pole
Uh-huh.
pole.
Pole,
Okay. Pole pole.
Huh?
Okay, so this is the spice farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are here. So can we? Is that a sycamore?
That fruit?
The fruit?
That's the jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah, you know jackfruit?
Yes.
Jackfruit we eat as a fruit, and also they use for cooking when it's not fried. For
Oh, okay.
vegetarians, instead of meat, they use this fruit.
Oh wow.
And it's really sweet. We say it has 3 flavors: mango, banana, pineapple when you mix.
Wow.
Taste of the jackfruit.
That's nice.
So here, we start with this grass.
Okay.
For this grass, we use the leaves and the stem of the grass.
Okay.
For the leaves, we make tea.
Tea.
Yeah, we use it in tea. So he'll give us the leaves to smell. So he's my assistant guide with us around the farm.
Okay. Okay, it smells nice.
Yeah. We call the lemongrass. That's the lemongrass. Lemongrass they use in tea. Lemongrass tea, which is really good for health, for blood circulation, heart problem. It's really nice.
Oh, it actually smells great.
Yeah, it's like lemon.
Lemon.
And mosquito don't like the smell of lemongrass, so we make mosquito repellent.
For lipstick.
Yeah.
Ah,
Fruits.
beautiful.
In
So
India,
can you eat it?
no taste, no flavor.
Okay.
Just color.
Just
And,
color.
yeah, Indians, they use
Oh,
it
that's
for-
what they use it
Yeah.
here.
They
Okay.
call it lipstick
It's
fruit.
beautiful. So, what's the name again?
Lipstick fruit.
Lipstick fruit.
Yeah, or
Okay.
anato.
Anato.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the same fruit also we use in spices. We have like chicken masala, red curry, tikka masala.
Okay.
Masala is mixed of different spices. We take the seeds and the fruits, dry, make into powder. We mix in the spices.
Wow.
No taste, no flavor, just color and spices.
Just color and spices.
So we call the lipstick fruit.
Lipstick fruits.
Yeah.
Okay.
For women use for lipstick. Natural lipstick.
Natural
no
lipstick.
chemicals.
No chemicals. That's great. You can use it to cook
Yeah.
if you're
Instead of
vegetarian
meat, yeah.
instead of meat.
Yeah. They use this.
Okay.
And when it's ripe, very sweet. It has 3 flavors: mango, banana, pineapple when you mix.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really
Wow. Right now it's not ripe.
sweet. Not ripe.
Okay.
So if you want to know it's ripe, you have to
To be very soft.
get, yeah, hollow sound. Then
Oh, okay.
so star fruit, it grows big, turns yellow, we eat as a fruit. It's sweet and sour
Sweet and sour.
when it's ripe. But now just sour. So we use it a lot in decorations. In cocktail, instead of lime, they use this.
Okay.
And we have 2 types of this fruit: big star fruit and small star fruit. So the small star fruit from a different tree, which we use it mostly in cookings.
Oh, so this is a coffee tree.
Yeah.
Ah.
Coffee, we have 2 types of coffee: Robusta and Arabica.
Okay.
This is Robusta coffee.
Okay.
So the difference between Robusta and Arabica: Robusta grows big, Arabica is small like a bush. Zanzibar, because of our climate, it's humid in Zanzibar.
Okay.
This we grow Robusta. In the mainlands, Kilimanjaro, Arusha, where it's very cold, they grow Arabica,
Okay.
which is the strongest coffee, not Robusta.
What's the name?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla ice cream.
Okay. This is it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the fruit itself, vanilla bean. So we harvest when it turns yellow, dry it on the shade, not on the sun. On the shade it turns dark brown.
Okay.
You get strong smell of vanilla inside.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've never seen some before.
That's the vanilla.
Great.
Vanilla essence, vanilla flavor from these fruits.
Okay.
And vanilla plant, it's a vine and a parasite. It grows on other trees.
Just like yam.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this kills the tree. It's
It
parasite.
kills the tree.
Yeah.
Oh.
So after some time, this tree dry up and
And
die.
dies. Oh.
Yeah. And for the vanilla beans, when you get the flower, you have to do manual pollination.
Okay.
Our bees don't like vanilla flower, so we have to do manual pollination. We pollinate ourselves,
Oh, wow.
which is really hard. That's why it's expensive. So not many countries grow vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly they grow it in Madagascar.
Okay.
Yeah. So Madagascar, the main exporters of vanilla.
Okay. So this can be made for ice cream. Use it for the ice cream, and that's vanilla tree. Name again?
Henna.
Henna.
Tree. Yeah.
Henna for
They
cake.
use lot in
For
Arab countries
tattooing.
and Indians
For tattoo.
for tattoo.
Okay.
Mostly Muslim women, they use it for decorations. When
Okay.
they get married, they use it.
Oh.
painting.
Oh. Okay. Okay. The name again?
Henna.
Henna.
Yeah. Henna
Okay.
or Mendi.
Okay.
But henna is more popular.
So do they get it from the leaves?
Leaves.
Okay.
So we take the leaves, dry in the sun, make into powder. We mix with lime to make it strong. We have red and black henna.
Okay.
So the red henna is natural from the leaves. Black henna we mix color. Mostly the locals use tea leaves to make it dark. So that's the henna tree.
Nice. It smells nice. Is it mint?
No, you get this fruit,
Oh, lemon,
lime.
lime.
You have lime and lemon.
Lime.
Lime small, lemon grows big.
Lime.
Different smell.
Okay.
Lime smells more nice than lemon.
Yeah.
That's a lime. You can put this down.
Can I? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
That's lime.
King
Of
of
the
the
spice.
spices.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's the king in Zanzibar because it is the main export, second main economy for Zanzibar.
Wow.
Yeah, it is the cash crop of Zanzibar.
Okay.
So it is controlled by the government. For the locals, we are not allowed to export it. Only government export.
Is it mint? Okay.
Cloves.
Okay.
It's like mint when you chew it.
Oh.
It's cloves. You know the cloves?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Cloves, it is the main export in Zanzibar and second main economy.
Wow.
So we have plant itself, it's a vine. It's a creeper plant. It grows on
Okay.
other trees. And these small fruits, you like hot spice?
Ah. Yeah.
You
Hot
like-
spice. Yeah.
Really?
Yes,
You
but
wanna
not too hot. No.
It's too hot.
Too hot.
Mhm.
Ah.
Sure.
Sure.
Mhm.
Ah, it's hot.
Mhm.
It's hot.
So that's the pepper plant.
Oh.
Turns to red.
Okay.
To make
So to make the green, you use the green
yeah,
leaves.
you harvest. No, the fruit is
The fruit. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's green. Right
Okay.
now. So after green, turns to
Red,
Then red you dry on the sun, turns to black.
black.
To make it white, you take the red one, boil in water, the skin peels off. Inside you get a white corn.
Wow.
That's
So
a
use
white
it to
pepper.
make the leaves. Oh, nice. Okay.
That's a pepper plant.
Paper.
Mhm.
For paper.
Yeah.
Paper plant.
Pili pili,
Pili pili.
manga.
Manga.
Turmeric?
Ah, that's turmeric.
Yeah, that's the root.
Wow.
So we use for color and also some medicine.
And for the pimples
Yeah.
also.
They make soap.
Wow.
In the cosmetic shop,
It looks
you'll
like
see the soap
carrots.
made from this. Yeah, it looks like
Looks like carrot.
Has a strong color, see?
Mm-hmm.
It stains.
Hmm.
So we dry, make into powder, you can use in food coloring.
Oh,
For
yeah.
the skin, you can use it fresh. Grind it, you can use for the skin or make soap from it.
Great. A lot of spices here.
So we call anti-inflammatory. Also
Auntie.
good.
Okay.
If you use a lot, you get high.
Okay.
But for women, it's an aphrodisiac for women.
Okay. Nutmeg. The nutmeg fruits.
So it's an aphrodisiac. Some countries they don't allow it. Mostly Arab countries.
Okay.
They say it's not good. It's like a drug, you know.
Okay.
It's a drug. You get high.
Oh.
So women, mostly they use women. In Zanzibar, they use women. When they get married, they feel like shy, they use it.
Oh, to get high?
Yeah. Hakuna matata.
Thank you. Coconuts.
Coca-Cola Zanzibar.
Coca-Cola.
And this crown for you.
Oh. Picture.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, eti wageni mwakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata, karibuni wageni, hakuna matata, hakuna matata.
Oh, that was beautiful. So whenever they are climbing, they sing.
Yeah.
Wow.
They have to sing.
Wow.
Only when they climb to shore,
Okay.
they sing. But when they climb to harvest, they have to be fast.
Okay.
For one tree, they can use maybe 3 minutes to harvest coconuts.
Wow.
Yeah. Go
That's
up,
fast.
take it down, go to another tree. One day you can harvest 50 trees.
Ooh. That's great. Ooh. Flowers.
Yeah, this is the flower, see?
Oh. Okay. It smells so good.
Called ilang ilang flower.
Ilang ilang flower.
Ilang ilang, they grow it out in Madagascar. They export to France to make perfume.
It smells nice. Ilang ilang
So
flower.
they make Chanel No. 5 from this flower.
Okay.
That's the main ingredient in Chanel No. 5. But for Zanzibar, we make Chanel 0.
Zero.
No
Okay.
alcohol, no chemical, using ilang ilang flower.
Natural.
So we sit here, we see the cosmetics made by the local perfume, soap, lotion.
Okay.
Lang lang from the street, just can have to smell it.
Okay.
They feel it in a local perfume.
Nice.
The second one is cardamom.
Cardamom.
Cardamom from the cardamom flower.
Oh wow. Smells great.
This is Zanzibar mix.
Okay.
The Zanzibar mix, you mix different flour together. This one, the flour of coffee. The flour of coffee. This one is jojoba.
Jojoba.
Jojoba flour.
Ah, the jojoba is nice.
This one is jasmine.
Jasmine.
Jasmine from jasmine flour. This one is from Japan.
Okay.
This is from Japan.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I am so sorry that the video has to end right here because my battery went off. My phone totally died, so I couldn't continue doing any recording on this day. And we went about the farm. The farm was so big, like 7 acres. So I also got tired and I couldn't do the rest of the activities for the day. The Stonetown tour and also the cooking classes and other thing. I got so tired because the farm was too big, and then I also went off with my phone, so I couldn't do any other recording. I am so sorry. I'm going to end this video here, but please kindly watch out for part 2, which will be the subsequent days, the other activities that I did. They are quite going to be fun. You know, they are quite fun. So you guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so you can watch more and more of these activities. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.